Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did these really pretty Sailor Moon nails. I really love how they came out and I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get into it. So I'm starting off by mixing some pink gel polish into our monomer. I did a few different kinds and threw in some glitter polishes as well. I found this is a good way to play around with color and I haven't personally had any issues with it. If you're going to try this, just do it at your own discretion. The color we created is a really pretty pink sheer jelly shade. And I'm just going to start by laying the acrylic on all the nails. I'm trying to keep them thin for now since we'll be encapsulating. Also, please don't forget to subscribe if you like nail videos or nail content. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much. You can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok at kaylas.nailartistry. I'll link those down below if you're interested. And I'm just going to finish laying the acrylic. Now I'm taking some cute gold charms and this little heart tool that I got on Amazon. I'm using this to press the charms so that they curve better onto our nails. This little tool is a must if you do any sort of encapsulation. It makes encapsulating so much easier. I lay a little bit of acrylic down and then I place my charm. I'm using moon and flower charms. I thought that they were really cute and they just fit the theme. Once my charms are all placed, I'm going to be encapsulating them now. So I'm just going to do that on the rest of the nails. And I'm going to leave the middle and ring a bit bare because we'll be doing our nail art on those later. Now I'm encapsulating all the nails. Finally, on to filing and shaping. I'm trying to make these not so bulky. Now adding a base coat to all the nails. This will help prep for our nail art. So here the nails are so far. I felt they didn't have enough sparkles, so I'm adding a jelly glitter on top. And here's how that came out, much better. Now onto our nail art. I'm taking a bright pink and I'm going to be painting a swirl design, sort of weaving around our charms. Now with the light pink, I'm defining the swirl we did. Also, just in case if anyone's wondering, I sometimes get asked, but I use Beetle's gel polish for most of my nail art, and I also use the Beetle's nail art brushes. I'll link them down below if you're interested. And now with some pink glitter polish, I'm adding a thin line between the two pinks we did. And now with the dotting tool, I'm going to be adding in little stars. I'm carefully painting these little lines. This part was a bit tedious. And now I'm adding in some extra dots. So here we are, I added some pink swirls to the top of the middle and ring nail onto our character painting. I start by getting the shape of the head down. Once we have that, I'm doing a rough outline of where I want things to go. Now I'm filling in some more elements, the eye and the mouth. I like to cure as I go, so I'm constantly adjusting, going back and forth with our colors. With some yellow, I'm painting in her hair now, and that will continue on to the other nail. Adding in some more details, lightly outlining with black. Because we do so many layers, it looks really weird and bumpy, but once we have a top coat, it'll smooth everything out. I promise it won't stay this way. I just keep looking at the reference photo and adjusting as I see fit. With the black outlining, it's okay if it's a bit too thick. We'll go back in and add our other colors in to thin it down. Now I'm painting in her neck. And now the hair that continues to the other nail. Adding in her clothes now. And now we're just going to outline everything, going back and forth with our colors to perfect it. Finishing up her outfit now, doing her necklace and her big bow. And I'm just going to finish up detailing everything. Now finally top coating. On the second half, this part was really easy. I just added in some more details to the hair, some shadow with a light brown, and outlined everything. Now I'm adding some stars and dots to the empty space. And we're finally done. We're going to top coat all the nails now. So here's the final reveal. They came out so pretty, and I've actually been having a lot of fun doing these face cams because I get to dress up a little bit or get ready. I sort of did them to match my makeup again. Aside from just nails, I really love makeup, and crazy eyeshadow looks and playing with color. So it's actually been a lot of fun for me getting ready to film these face cams and sort of doing my makeup inspired by whatever nails I did. I really love how they came out. They're so cute. Let me know what you guys think about this set. I really hope you enjoyed. Be sure to comment and let me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.